Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at TheatricallyJerry. Today we're going to be taking a look at BECEN's or BECEN's 19 by 15 watt Pro Wash. This is a moving head wash. It's a RGBW, so you have your red, green, blue, and white color mixing on it. This is going to be an unboxing video. We're going to go more in depth later on, so you can take a look at those videos later. This unboxing video, I'm just going to show you how they package their products. This box came to me directly from BECEN's warehouse, so it didn't take too long to get here via DHL. It was about 4 days to arrive here in the US from their factory over in China. This is a typical carton. So it's very similar to HDS's packaging, for instance, including this triangle. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and unbox this and kind of show you guys what's included with this moving head fixture. So this is a 19 by 15 watt moving head. As I stated, I'm using some scissors right now to cut this. You're probably going to need to too, because there's actually a lot of tape on this box. So it's probably a good thing though, especially coming overseas. You can never have your boxes too taped. So we're going to go ahead and cut the rest of this off. This is the boring part of the video, I'm sorry, but it's necessary because I do want to show you guys exactly how it comes to you. So, I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and as you can see, well, as you cannot see, but as you can see after I cut this, it's actually double boxed. So, not only does BECEN ship their stuff, but they double box it because they want it to arrive to you in one piece. So always appreciate double boxing. Anyways, inside of that box is another box. So here we are. We're gonna go ahead and cut this open. Again, the not too exciting part of the video, but like I said, I want to show you guys exactly how this arrives to you. So I'm trying not to do any cutting of the video, not the box. The box is getting cut. Alright, so you're now in the original box, and the first thing you're going to notice, which is pretty typical, is your user manual. So BECEN is of course including a user manual, and we will go over that later in the in-depth review, but it's a little 5-page user manual on the light, and the light is your 19 by 15 watt 4-in-1 LED zoom moving head light by BECEN. So this is model BC M195W. So that's the model number for it. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and take all this styrofoam out. It's actually quite a lot of styrofoam. Let's see if I can get it all out. Alright, so let me get this box out of the way for you guys. They've actually done a really great job in packaging this, as you can see, because it is also protected by styrofoam. Anyways, I'm going to turn this over so you guys can see the cutouts. In these cutouts is your PowerCon connector cable, as well as your DMX 3-pin cable. BECEN is including both of these with the fixture, which is great. So you're getting those. You are getting your these are your truss hooks or your clamps for the moving head fixture, and these have the typical twist locks on them, so they're actually easy to attach to the bottom of your fixture and to remove, so that's cool. We're going to go ahead and cut this tape because this tape is holding two pieces of styrofoam together, which has the moving head fixture on the inside, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and move them out of the way. There we go. Alright, we'll go ahead and set those aside. Go ahead and stand this up. Alright, so here is BECEN's moving head fixture. After all of that packaging, you can understand why your light fixture will arrive to you in one piece, because it is extremely well packaged. And not only on top of that, but they have also plastic bagged the light fixture, so as to protect it during transit. Anyways, here is BECEN's fixture, and if you didn't recall earlier in the user manual, the W at the end of it, which is right there, means white, because they do offer this in a black fixture. So they have a black and a white fixture. Either or is fine. This white actually looks great. We'll go into it later. I'm not going to go into this fixture right now. This is just an unboxing video. But as you can see, the fixture has arrived to me in one piece from BECEN's factory over in China. And like I said, it took about 4 days to get here. I'm in the US, Florida, so it didn't take too long to get here. Let's take a look at what BECEN has included in the packaging for this light fixture. So this is one of their pro fixtures. As we discussed earlier, it is a 19 by 15 watt moving head, and this is an RGBW fixture, so it has red, green, blue, and white color mixing abilities, separate LEDs on board for each channel. What's included? This is a quick lock or a fast lock connector. These are clamps for your truss system. So what that means is, instead of having to screw in a clamp, obviously, you just have to twist it and it will lock on, instead of having to constantly twist your light fixture. So with one turn, it'll be locked on, and then when you're done with it, you can just turn it and it will unlock for a quick release. So this is actually pretty typical for light fixtures. HDS or Sheds does include these. So a lot of light manufacturers do. Some do not though, so that's not too bad. And BECEN has actually made them very nice and tidy by attaching some zip ties to it. So they come like this, and all you have to do is uncut these two zip ties and they're ready to be used. They obviously connect to the bottom of your light fixture here. They have, of course, included a user manual. And if you've ever watched my channel, or if this is your first time watching it, you know how important I think user manuals are. So, of course, read this and read it over well. There's a lot of good information in here about this light fixture and how it operates. What else is included in the box is a nice bag with, again, neatly laid out cables that BECEN has included. So what you're getting with this light fixture is a 6-foot DMX cable. So this is a typical 3-pin light fixture. So you're getting a 3-pin DMX cable. It's a pretty nice one. You're also getting a PowerCon connector because this is one of their Pro fixtures, so it comes with a PowerCon power connector, which I love. This is actually a pretty decent gauge because this light fixture can handle up to 16 amps max, obviously. So the gauge of the wiring is actually pretty decent on this. It's a 3 by 1 millimeter squared cable. So the jacket feels nice on it, and it's black, and they're including it free, obviously, with their light fixture. Those are the components that BECEN is including with their BC M195W, and the W at the end, like I had said earlier, is because this is their white version. They do have a black fixture version of this as well. So you can get this in white or black. The white looks great. Part 2 of this video, I'm going to go more in depth in this light fixture. So we're going to look at the quality of the build, how it's laid out, what's included with the light fixture, as well as this awesome looking front lens element on here, and some other features that this 19 by 15 watt moving head includes. So do look forward to part 2 of this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, go ahead and hit the like button. You can comment down below. I do answer and respond to all comments about this light fixture, about BECEN or BECEN, the company that is producing this light fixture. You can also just comment about whatever you're feeling at the moment you're watching this video. So go ahead and like this video, like I said, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel at TheatricallyJerry if you haven't already. I review all off-brand, no-name brand, unheard of brand light fixtures for the stage, for DJs. I also review equipment, atmospherics, stuff like that. So if any of that stuff interests you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel at TheatricallyJerry. Thank you guys for watching, and let's go on to part 2.